Nolagent here at Streetcar Cafe.
Welcome to Nolagent. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our New Orleans food restaurant review vlog, we visit Streetcar Cafe on our travel search for the best burger options in New Orleans. Streetcar Cafe is located in the New Orleans Central Business District at 312 St. Charles Avenue, which is just a couple of blocks away from the French Quarter. The Streetcar Cafe location previously housed Bienvenue Bar Grill. Before that, it was FredRick's Deli. The Streetcar Cafe has done a major renovation of the space, and in my opinion, they were too heavy-handed with it, as there used to be a great old tile floor in here that's now gone. The streetcar actually does go right past the Streetcar Cafe, so you can catch a ride if you want. The Streetcar Cafe offers breakfast and lunch with daily specials, burgers, po' boys, and their version of New Orleans food. They do have outdoor seating here at the Streetcar Cafe, but during the day of my visit it was a rainy day, so nobody was sitting outside. And then they do list some of their specials on the outdoor board here. From this direction, it was a bunch of their drink specials, and you can hear the streetcar here. There's no other sound quite like the streetcar, and after having lived next to the streetcar line for many years, it's the sound you sort of miss a little bit when you go to other places and don't hear it. So it's definitely a nice thing to experience if you ever want to sit outside here and check that out. So let's head on inside and check this place out. This is my first visit to the spot since they remodeled it, and whoa, they have majorly changed it. It looks nothing like it used to. They have completely remodeled and done everything differently. They've added this New Orleans themed artwork. They have a chalkboard specials menu here. And, the bar area looks a little similar, but the rest of everything else is completely changed. All the floor in here used to be a beautiful tile, and I kind of miss that old tile work, definitely. I mean, it looks nice in here, but I miss the old stuff. Now let's check out the menu. So we have the breakfast menu here with omelets and eggs with the Southern breakfast, 2 eggs any style, choice of meat, ham, bacon, or sausage. A crispy country omelet, a Cajun sausage omelet, a seafood omelet, egg white omelet, veggie omelet, cheese omelet. You can add different items. Then sides, you have 2 eggs any style, applewood bacon, turkey bacon, ham, beef sausage, toast, buttermilk biscuit, hash browns, grits, 1-piece pancake, fruit cup. Then up in the next column, we have pancake and waffles with traditional buttermilk pancakes, blueberry pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, buttermilk waffles, brioche French toast, and beignet. The Nola Classic with biscuit and gravy, traditional Benedict, crab cake Benedict, shrimp and grits, streetcar energy booster. Start your day with one of our combinations of Greek yogurt, honey granola, and fresh fruit. Then we have our coffee and beverages and some cocktails. Then we have our lunch and dinner menu with appetizers, cup of gumbo, cup of red beans and rice, blackened alligator bites, crab cake, shrimp remoulade, golden fried oysters, french fries. New Orleans favorites, bowl of gumbo, bowl of red beans and rice, jambalaya, chicken basket, blackened redfish, taste of New Orleans, which is a gumbo, jambalaya, red beans and rice, served with a biscuit, blackened chicken, 12-ounce ribeye, grilled salmon. Then up at the top, we have a seafood platter with fried fish platter, fried shrimp platter, fried oyster platter, and fried seafood platter. Then we have a selection of salads, and then our po' boys and sandwiches. We have a shrimp remoulade po' boy, fried shrimp po' boy, a fried oyster po' boy, a fried fish po' boy, fried alligator bites po' boy, grilled chicken sandwich, crab cake burger and fries, then add-ons with cheese and adding fries, Cajun pastas, Cajun penne pasta, seafood pasta, crab cake pasta, and veggie pasta. So, of course, I wanted to sample the burger here, and the past restaurants at this location, the Bienvenue and FredRick's Deli, had fantastic burgers, so I had high hopes. And I got the burger here, and this meat does not look so nice. It's a very thin patty. It looks like it was a pre-made one. Honestly, this reminds me of a Burger King Whopper, the way it looks. So we'll see how it tastes, though. Visually, though, this is not a thick, juicy, delicious-looking burger. It looks very much like a fast food thickness of burger. So, it tastes like a fast food burger patty as well. It's a little on the harder, crunchier side on the outside. So, not the biggest fan of the flavor of the meat. Burger King actually, I would say, tastes better. So, the meat on the burger is not doing the job I would say it needs to do in a restaurant like this. The bun is nice, the vegetables are fresh and good, the cheese is melted properly, I've got good structural integrity maintaining with the entire burger. However, the main focus of a burger needs to be the meat, and that is definitely coming up short with this burger. A little disappointed, I have to say, because wow, the last time I was in here to eat when this was Bienvenue, it was a fantastic burger. So I was kind of hoping there might be some continuity with having some delicious, juicy, flavorful burger possibilities, but looks like you can't always get a win. So hopefully this is maybe just a COVID-19 related setback where their supply chain wasn't able to get them their usual hamburger meat. And maybe this is an anomaly, hopefully. So this is my first visit so far, and definitely this is not the burger I was hoping for. So it's going down easily though. So it is edible, I can say that. That's the best I can give it is it is edible. So it's not completely a hard, terrible thing that you can't eat that's burned beyond recognition. And then these French fries are pretty nice looking, actually. These look like they could possibly be better than a Burger King or McDonald's style fry. It looks like there's some seasoning on here. There's some nice crispness to it, it feels like, on the outside. And we'll just take a little bite here and sample it. Okay, so they do have a good flavor on the fries. So I'd say the fries are definitely better than the burger was so far. So, there's good seasoning on it. They got good flavor and taste. So the fries at least are good. So that is some consolation for the burger not being as good. Oh my gosh, what's this big chunk of stuck together fries? I don't know what's going on with this. Maybe something going on with the grease or something. This is a little unusual, so I'm not sure what to make of my French fries sticking together quite like this. I can't recall having big clumps of French fries stick together like this before. So these things are not coming apart. They are joined together like glue. So I'm not quite sure what to make out of this situation. Okay, so it's not an anomaly. I've got more of them here. So this is not impacting the taste, but it certainly is very strange. I've maybe seen a couple of French fries stuck together like this before, but never a huge clump of them like I'm seeing in here. So this is a little bit entertaining in some ways. And look, ooh, if any vampires are around, I can fight them off. Stay away, vampires. Ooh, hopefully I don't need that protection later, but you never know in New Orleans. There's vampires all over, legend says. Okay, so I've destroyed this plate of food, so destroy that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought about this interesting experience. And while you're down there, check out the link to my Patreon account because, hey, I work for tips and I appreciate any help with that. So the total for my meal was $18.61 before tip, which for the quality of this burger that was Burger King kind of level, I would say that's way too much. So I really hope this is an anomaly and this isn't the normal piece of meat they serve on their burgers. So thanks so much to the Streetcar Cafe for making a good effort. The service was great and they kept my iced tea filled the whole time. That burger really needs to be tweaked quite a bit. So, thanks so much to all of you out there for tuning in to the NOLAgent channel, especially to my Patreons. And if you could just share this video with any of your friends and contacts that would enjoy it, that really would help me. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and destroy that subscribe button, which will be the little circle with my head on it right there. And the little rectangles on either side will be links to more of the NOLAgent videos. So, make sure you tune in next time for more good food, good times and good people.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you would just click on the little circle here with a picture of my head in there and subscribe to the No Legit channel, it would really help me a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you.